Hey there, Excel enthusiasts. I'm Hannah, your friendly Excel teacher from Sheet Leveler. And today, I have an amazing trick to help you tackle your to-do list with style. We're going to build a dynamic to-do list featuring a linked donut chart that visualizes your progress. Trust me, seeing your completed tasks in a chart is so satisfying and will give you the extra motivation to power through your list. So, let's dive in and create this game-changing to-do list. First, let's create a simple to-do list in Excel. Here's what we need: a column for tasks, a column with checkboxes. To insert checkboxes, go to the Developer tab. If you don't see it, enable it in Excel Options. Click Insert greater than Form Controls greater than Checkbox. Click on a cell where you want the checkbox and adjust the size. Copy and paste the checkbox down the column for multiple tasks. Once you've added your checkboxes, we're ready for the fun part: tracking progress. Now, let's calculate how many tasks are complete and incomplete, so we can use this data in our donut chart. We'll use the COUNTIF function to count checkboxes that are marked as true, checked. Enter this formula in an empty cell. COUNTIF, open parenthesis, select the range of checkboxes, comma, true, close parenthesis. This will count the number of tasks that are checked. Now, let's calculate the percentage of tasks completed by dividing the checked tasks by the total tasks. Count 8TA, open parenthesis, select the range of checkboxes, close parenthesis. This counts all the checkboxes, whether they're checked or not. This will give us a decimal value. To format it as a percentage, go to the Home tab and click the % button in the number formatting section. To get the incomplete percentage, simply subtract the completed percentage from 1. That's 1 minus the percentage complete. Now we have our data. Let's bring it to life with a donut chart. Here's where the magic happens. Let's visualize our progress. Insert a donut chart. Select the two percentage values, complete and incomplete. Go to Insert greater than pi, or Donut Chart, greater than Donut Chart. Boom. You now have a chart representing your task progress. Let's make it look sleek and professional. Delete the title and legend. Just click and hit Delete. Remove the border and background. Click the chart. Go to Format tab greater than Shape Outline, greater than Select No Outline. Click Shape Fill. Select No Fill. Let's tweak the donut hole size to make it thicker. Right-click the chart. Click Format Data Series. Set donut hole size to 55%. We want the completed tasks to stand out. Click on the incomplete portion of the chart. Click the Fill icon and select No Fill. Click on the completed portion, go to Fill, and select a bold colour, e.g., dark blue. Click on the completed portion, go to Border, select Solid Line, and match it to the colour you picked. Repeat this step for the incomplete portion if you want a subtle outline. To make the chart blend seamlessly with your to-do list, resize and move it inside the task table so it looks embedded. Use the Align tool in the Format tab for precision. And just like that, our interactive to-do list is complete. Now, as you check off tasks, your donut chart will automatically update. How cool is that? More tasks completed, more blue in the chart, fewer tasks remaining. You're closer to done. Now you have an interactive, motivational to-do list to keep you productive. Excel is an amazing tool once you get the hang of it, and I'm so excited to be on this journey with you. Try this out and tell me in the comments. Did this trick help you? What colour did you choose for your donut chart? And if you loved this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Hit the bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and happy excelling!